In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for online course sales fast and easy. First, open your browser and simply type Pinterest into your search engine. You'll want to click on the first link that appears in your search results. This should take you straight to Pinterest's homepage. Next, if you haven't already, consider switching to a Pinterest business account. This transition is crucial because it gives you access to useful analytics and advertising options that aren't available to regular accounts. This will help you understand what works best for promoting your courses and reaching the right audience. Once you're set up with a business account, take some time to optimize your Pinterest profile. This means creating a professional yet inviting profile that shows off your expertise and builds authority. It's important that your profile picture is clear, your bio is informative, and that you include a link to your online courses or website. Moving on, let's talk about creating boards. Boards are essentially ways to organize the different topics and ideas you want to share on Pinterest. For your course sales, create boards that directly relate to the topics of your courses. For instance, if you have a course about blogging, you might want a board named Blog Traffic Tips or SEO Basics. Use keywords in your board names and descriptions to ensure they show up in search results and attract the right audience. Now, let's create pins that stand out. The key here is to design tall, visually appealing pins, ideally 1000 x 1500 pixels, with clear, bold text overlays. This could be something enticing like "Free Training Inside" or "Enroll in my 4-week fitness coaching program." And very importantly, each pin should include a link directly to your sales page, or to something that can capture leads, such as a free webinar or a landing page. In addition to static pins, engage your audience with video and idea pins. These can be short tutorials, mini lessons, or quick tips that offer value and prompt viewers to take action with a call to action like, "Get the full training inside my course." These types of pins often get more reach because Pinterest favors video content. To maximize visibility, utilize Pinterest SEO strategies. Identify keywords your target audience is interested in, such as how to start a blog or beginner yoga routines. Use these keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and even in the alt text. Hashtags are also crucial for trend discovery, so be sure to include 3 to 5 relevant ones with each pin. Lastly, track your progress using Pinterest Analytics. Pay attention to which pins drive the most clicks and signups. You should also use Google Analytics to see which traffic sources convert into sales. By analyzing this data, you can refine your approach, doubling down on the pin designs and topics that perform best. With these steps, you're well on your way to using Pinterest efficiently for online course sales. Remember to be patient and keep tweaking your strategy for the best results. Happy pinning!